Hi everyone, Dr. Brei is here with you today, and I am here with the lovely, the beautiful, the talented, the woman that I cannot stop talking about, Jackie Gideon. And Jackie did my face today. I know you think that I look this beautiful and flawless on a daily basis, but no, this has been created by her, and I just love everything about this look. It is so natural, so flawless, and really timeless. I mean, this look is just such a simple, beautiful look. I don't have any heavy makeup or foundation on. There's no eyeliner, just a little bit of mascara. The eyebrows look extremely natural, nothing drawn on, and it's just so beautiful and easy. Looks easy to achieve, but I'm sure I would not be able to do this without these magic hands. So thanks to Jackie, who was able to create this incredible look. And check her out at Jackie Gideon Beauty on Instagram, as well as JackieGideon.com. You can see all her incredible editorial work that she's done, and she's working right now for the First Lady Global. And it's just such an incredible magazine. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about it.
Sure. So my new mission now is to empower women of all ages. I will be starting a new Instagram page, which hopefully Elena will help me with.
We are so excited about that.
I will be partnering with NuVsio to achieve timeless beauty, ageless beauty, beauty for women of all ages. I want to highlight the radiance and empower women of all ethnicities, all ages, all weights, doesn't matter, everyone's beautiful. So we are trying to start with the skin first, start with the lifestyle first. And so with great skin, which you can achieve with NuVsio, which I'm a firm believer of. I met Dr. Brei about a year ago, and she's helped me so much with my skin. I experienced rosacea, and I experienced dermatitis and dryness. I couldn't, and I've been given everything, and nothing was working except for her product. So I really believe in it. The balm is gorgeous. So we started with the balm. That gives us our radiant glow, and then we created a no makeup look.
Yeah, it's
everyone can achieve this. So basically, with the skin cleaned, prepped, and balm. Then we add a little bit of the base, the concealer, the powder, and the glow that I've showed you how to do step by step in the previous video. And the first line of defense is to create a no makeup look. So once you do that, you can get into glamour, you can get into more sort of stylized makeup, complicated makeup, a little more smoky, a little more sexy, whatever. But no makeup is essential for you to start with, because every day you want to have a beautiful, professional, fresh, clean face. And so we've achieved that today with Elena, and she looks radiant. Look at her face, her skin, her cheeks, the glow, the dewiness, the softness, the youth. And this is, again, achievable for any age. And
I feel like what Jackie does is, sometimes you wake up in the morning and you look at yourself in the mirror and you're like, I know I can do better. So Jackie makes you look the way you feel sometimes. So sometimes you just don't know what products to use or the way to use them to create that lovely, flawless look that just makes you look radiant and makes you look youthful and glowing. So that's what she's able to do, because this is definitely the way, sometimes in my head, like, I think I look like when I don't have makeup on or when I have very little makeup on, but this is what I actually want to achieve. So now we've achieved it. This is the look.